My name is George Kostopoulos. My call sign is KO4HVI, and I go by TheLaserHam.
All right, so just tell me what all you got out here.
I have folding ground plane antennas, which are full-size antennas for their band. This one is 1.25 meters, and it folds up and then unfolds to be a ground plane antenna, which is a full-size antenna for this band. It's a vertical, full vertical. This acts as the ground for the antenna, so you don't have to put it on a metal surface, and it folds up really nicely when you're done.
So how do people hang this antenna up?
You hang this antenna up from the isolation ring up here, which is also labeled with the band. So if you have multiple of my antennas, you know which one is which. And then when you fold it up, it just wraps up like this. Goes in your bag, and it's really smushable.
So where are people mounting them? They mount them from masts, trees?
Masts, trees. I have people that live in apartments where they can't put out external antennas, so they hang this from the roof. HOAs, condos. I have people with these in their go bags, in their MCOM kits, in the trunk of their car. It's perfect for POTA, SOTA, MCOM, like I said, camping, hunting, anything where it's portable operations.
And where'd you come up with the idea?
I went to a radio class, and as with most radio classes, you build a ground plane antenna, build it out of a connector and a bunch of wire, which is great, but not very portable. It's great for the theory, great to show you how antennas work. And I just got thinking about it, and I was a guy with an idea and a 3D printer, so I kept playing and playing and playing until I found a design I liked. So everything is contained in this 3D printed hub. This is UV resistant, it's ASA. I put in a connector, I use an amphenol connector, so it's a high quality connector, it lasts forever. The connections inside are fully encapsulated in polymer, so it's fully potted, it's weatherproof, there's nothing can get in there. And I just kept making designs until I found something that worked great. I've sold hundreds of these antennas at Hamfest and on my Etsy store.
So where can people find them at?
You can find them on my Etsy store, which is TheLaserHam on Etsy. You can find me on Twitter as TheLaserHam, on Facebook as TheLaserHam, and at Hamfest near you. I live in the Nashville area, so any Hamfest around there I'll probably go to. I've been obviously here at Huntsville, I've been to Tullahoma, I've been to Cave City, I've been to Knoxville, I've been to Memphis. I just try to hit all the Hamfests in the area, plus I'm active on social media.
All right, and then just lastly, just kind of tell me all the different variations you have.
All right, so this is an older design that uses fiberglass for the struts, so I don't sell these anymore. These are the last couple I have, but it operates on the same principle. This is a 2-meter antenna, works also on 70 centimeters, MURS and GMRS. I have the 1.25 meter like you saw. And then I have this little cute guy, which is 70 centimeters in GMRS. Again, operates on the same principle. You just unfold it, spread out the legs, and bang, you have a little GMRS antenna. That's a full ground plane. That will be way better than the antenna that's on your radio, on your handheld.
All right. Is there anything I missed that you just want to add?
Just keep a watch on my store. I'm adding different kinds of antennas as I come up with them.
All right,
I have a couple more designs in the works, hopefully soon.